I got lost again. You can't see any human, not even any bird over here.
Last coach. Information à l'attention des voyageurs à destination de Glaouenen, les passagers pour Glaouenen.
I'm on the way to Grindelwald. Hey everyone, welcome back again to Cellugraphy, and we are on the way to Grindelwald, and in this adventurous trip I got lost once, and I'm gonna tell you all the story in this video. Watch the video till the end and enjoy the beauty of Swiss mountains.
Uhr 45, Gleis 11. Grindelwald, your next connections.
So here we have arrived to Grindelwald, and the train I'm showing on the video is the next train which will take me to the Eiger glacier. Let's see how will be the experience. For now, let's go out of the train. So wow, it's beautiful. Here I cannot see many people traveling. I think it is because of COVID-19 and the new guideline from the Swiss government. And here it looks like the entrance to go to another side of the platform. Like everyone, I'm going to validate my ticket in this machine. After validating my ticket, I came this side already, and here now we are going to enter to the train. Let's see how the train is from inside. It seems very interesting, and here we are. Now let's enjoy the travel to the glacier. Wow, this has become my favorite part of my whole travel, watching these trains fully covered with the white snow. It's amazing, isn't it? I'm really enjoying this whole journey and this breathtaking view. If you also enjoying with me, please comment below in the comment box and share with your friends and family. This video deserves to be shared a lot more than any other video. फिर से मेरे साथ वही हुआ है जो हमेशा होता है, आई गॉट लॉस्ट अगेन। लाइक एनी टाइम, हमेशा जब भी मैं घूमने निकलती हूँ या आई गो travel anywhere in Switzerland, the first thing I do, I get lost and happen the same thing. You can't see any human, not even any bird over here. Only me waiting for the next train. So guys, after half an hour I'm going back to the right station with the right train. What happened with me in Interlaken station, the SBB officer, he mentioned that I have to go to Eiger Glacier after Grindelwald, but he didn't mention that Eiger Glacier is not any train station, but I have to leave the train in Gruind and go to the gondola station. This is what happened. Now finally I'm heading to the gondola station, from where I can catch the gondola, the cable car to go to the Eiger Glacier. From there I'm going to catch the train to go to Jungfrau. And until then, like the video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please share. Thank you for watching, and you will watch the Jungfrau in the next one.